How to get verified on Facebook. So as per the new update of Facebook, you'll be able to get Meta verified. If you are wondering how to do that, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to explore the various feeds. So as the first step, you need to tap over your profile at the left upper corner and you'll be able to see your profile. So at the right hand side, there is a three dotted horizontal lines, and to tap over there. And at the bottom there is Meta verified option, which is the newest update of Facebook. So just tap over there. So it's a new update of Facebook. With a Meta verification, you will be able to get a verified badge, increase your account protection, support when you need it, and you'll also be able to get the unique stickers. So you just have to tap over the next option at the bottom, and you have to select your profile which you want to get verified. You can choose any of the account which you want to get verified, and you just can tap over sign up this profile option. But for the verification, you need to pay in dollars. So it said that you will be billed $7.99 per month on this profile. So in order to get the verified badge, you will be billed $7.99 per month. And after payment, we will confirm your identity, which will take up to 48 hours. If we are unable to confirm your identity, we will refund your payment. So if your identity is confirmed, they will verify you, otherwise they will return your payment. So that's the thing. And with this subscription, you will be able to get all of these four things, which is a verified pass, increased account protection, support when you need, and unique stickers. And after that, you just can tap over pay to get benefits option. And after that, you can tap over the add credit or debit card option at the bottom, and you'll be opened up to the interface or the section where you have to enter your card number. You can see over here. And after entering the card number, $7.99 will be cut off from your account per month to have the verification. And with this, you'll be able to get the Meta verified on Facebook. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some confusion or need any information, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.